But now it has very little to do with the inspection, and it has much more to do with the psychology of the buyers right now.
Yeah, so let's walk through that because I think, I mean, I guess I get it because if whatever you're reading right now, we just had a small rate cut,
Mm-hmm.
quarter point, and even the mortgage lender that you told me this morning said, "Oh yeah, let's wait
Yep.
for the next rate cut or the one after." So we're in this spot where the sellers, the amount of listings are stacking up,
Mm-hmm.
which is softening price a little bit. And then you also have these rate cuts. So we're in this really, really interesting time where you're starting to see listings stack up. Q4 is typically a slower quarter,
Mm-hmm.
right? So it's not new, but you would expect that MLS listings would go up. That softens price, right? And then you had just a quarter point reduction for the Fed funds, I guess, Fed funds rate. And now we're kind of in the middle of that, right? There's another meeting this month at the end of the month, and there's another meeting in December, and everybody's anticipating, at least another half point at a minimum less by the end of the year. So it's like everybody just kind of took their foot off the gas a little bit, waiting for first quarter in 2026.
Like where are home prices going to be in 6 months? Nobody really knows for sure. We talked about that on our live. It really depends on the Federal Reserve cutting rates, whether rates actually go down, how much supply is on the market, how the job market is looking. There's just a lot of uncertainty, and the buyers are feeling that, right?